Hello guys, in today's video we'll talk about how to fix Snapchat's Bitmoji Bitmoji glitch. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section, and next go to the search and search Snapchats, and next go to the storage. Here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked, and if it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or turn the Wi-Fi off if on, or the Bluetooth or the airplane mode. Also, you can try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all the Snapchat data will be deleted. This includes all files, the settings, the databases, your personal information. All of them will be deleted. So be careful if you wanna clear your data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.